left instructions to make mint tea. So I'm supposed to get a large handful of mint leaves at about 2 inches from the ground. Let's find a good stem here. Problem, it will grow back. So to make the fresh mint garden sweet tea, I went out and picked the mint leaves out of the garden, and now we're going to rinse them. Now that we have the pot of boiling water, we're going to take the mint leaves that we picked outside and put them in here for about 10 to 15 minutes to steep. Now that the mint leaves have steeped for about 15 minutes, we're going to take them out, stir in some sugar, and then I'm going to put it in a pitcher so we can cool it off in the refrigerator. This makes a concentrate, and it's a 1-to-1 ratio. So when I'm ready to have a glass of tea, just pour in a little bit of the concentrate, a little bit of water, and we'll be good to go. We'll see how good it tastes. I just made some tea with the concentrate from the mint leaves I made yesterday. I added half water and half tea, and I added a little bit more sugar. It's not a real strong drink, but definitely nice and refreshing after spending all the time out shopping at all the shops this morning and early afternoon. So it's very delicious.